I know it's bad, but it's at least it's not all four of them. Because that would be like, that's how I think. That's why I think it's the O ring. Because if it was the
Gasket.
that shit was whoosh, and then all down here, you feel me? Because my grandma car was like that before it
How you
exploded.
figure that?
My grandma car exploded because of the blown head gasket. I tried to put the head gasket sealer in it. Man, I tried to fix that head gasket so bad. They had a coolant leak. The coolant was burnt, getting burnt or something.
Hey, for some beer? Yeah. I don't want no beer. Nigga, I said let me get $20. You
God,
didn't say no. You did like a horse trader. Then you didn't say, "Can I hold
he said,
$20?"
let.
You said,
I knew you was
"Give
about
me
to say that.
$20." He
You
didn't
said
say it
you
the
said
right
horse.
way.
You said horse trading. I
Yeah.
already knew you was about what you was about to reference.
Yeah, he said it the wrong way.
Well,
Damn, dog, that's a lot of goddamn oil. Man. So what are you
But you
saying?
know what's crazy? These engines burn a lot of oil too.
Mm.
So
No, they do not.
yes, they do.
Dog, no.
Yes, they do. Look it up. For real. Nigga burnt a gallon of oil.
When the last time somebody changed like that?
The what?
Yeah, you gotta change some seals on here. That ain't good.
Yeah, I know. None of the seals was ever changed, probably.
Nothing. Yeah. So
It's
now
probably
it's
all
about
stock.
that
I
time.
mean, yeah,
Only thing the nigga
but
did
it's
was take
good.
that bitch off and paint that fucking.
He probably didn't take it off. Probably just outlined it.
No, cause
Do
he
some
paint.
racist shit.
Oh yeah.
I painted that black stuff.
I mean, they got. You could paint all that shit. They got high heat paint. You could have painted your own head.
Yeah, he do it.
Exhausting, but shit.
I rather buy a
You
new
might
one
have to
though.
take a whole. You might have to take this motor out
For what?
and look through it.
True.
Ain't nothing wrong with it. You just gotta look through that bitch
Yeah.
and replace some shit. Or
Just make sure everything look good.
or find another Integra that's wrecked in the back. If ain't nobody touch that motor, take that one
It's
up out.
another Integra on this street.
Shit, you
I
got
don't
it.
want the
yeah,
motor.
it's been
I
gone.
got a good motor. I
What
got only
motor is that?
170 on it, man. Goddamn.
So you just
I
got.
think she got rid of that car. You thinking on
Nah, I seen it just now
What's this?
when I
What
came
motor
down
is
the
this?
street. It's a gray one just like mine. Stock.
What motor is this?
Sitting with mildew on it. And moss. I got a picture of that. I'll show you.
But yours is not the VTEC.
Nah.
But he still can put that VTEC in.
Yeah.
So he can put
I
like,
gotta
what
get
year
it.
is this again? Whoa!
I gotta get it from
What year is this again?
2000.
2000. So shit, yeah. You should get a Honda Accord motor or something. I'm gonna take it to this shop.
I might have. I would build it. Because it's already in the car. When I save money. Again, I took
This is where shit. In that case, I know this place in Staples Mill. You can go to get you about 2,500 and drop this bitch off. That bitch will come back A1. I'm talking about ready. Tuned on it and everything. Sounding good.
There ain't no rubber thing in the bottom of it.
Mm.
It ain't all the way out, my bad.
It wasn't out at all. It wasn't out at all.